At AZEK, we offer high-quality, durable trim solutions engineered for easy installation and superior performance, including AZEK Skirt Boards. In this video, we'll guide you through the installation of AZEK Exteriors skirt boards. AZEK offers multiple skirt board solutions, including the universal skirt board and the one-piece skirt board. AZEK skirt boards are durable, moisture-resistant, and manufactured right here in the USA. Materials like wood absorb water, which can lead to rot and deterioration over time. Unlike these other materials, all AZEK skirt boards are approved for ground contact, a perfect solution for transitions between siding and grade that complements and protects the surrounding exterior. AZEK skirt boards are easy to install and work well with most AZEK siding and most other siding materials, including vinyl, fiber cement, and wood. Installation tips and techniques are the same for both products. In this video, we'll show you the installation of the universal skirt board with the integrated drip edge. Before you begin installation, make sure you have all the necessary tools ready. To ensure performance of AZEK skirt board products, use a durable fastener such as stainless steel or hot-dipped galvanized fasteners. For best results, use Cortex collated fastening system or fasteners designed for wood trim and siding. Begin installation by cutting the skirt board pieces. Carefully cut the trim pieces to the measured lengths. AZEK recommends using either a specialty blade for PVC or a fine finish wood cutting blade for best results. Next, fasten the skirt boards. Keep the following tips in mind for best fastening results. As a rule, if you can bend the fastener in your fingers, it is too thin. No wire or brad nails. Fasten one side of the skirt trim board. Fasteners for AZEK trim should be placed within 2 inches of the ends of the board. Never put fasteners through a scarf joint. Use 2 fasteners every 16 inches or less. Using Cortex or stainless steel screws is recommended to restrict movement. Similar to other materials, AZEK trim can expand and contract due to changes in temperature. This expansion and contraction can be minimized by properly fastening the material along its entire length. The more the product is mechanically fastened on longer runs, the less likely it will move. You can further restrict movement on longer runs by reducing on-center fastening. Next, apply glue to the joint. Be sure to fasten and glue all joints with proper adhesive. AZEK cellular PVC cement is ideal for securing scarf joints. It has a working time of approximately 10 minutes and fully cures in approximately 24 hours. Note that this adhesive does not have gap filling, so it needs compression or it will not adhere properly. For best results, glue all AZEK to AZEK joints with AZEK cellular PVC cement. Be sure to apply adhesive to the entire joint. Use compression to ensure the best adhesion and minimize gaps from expansion and contraction. Finish by fastening the other side of the trim. Make sure to drive the screw or nail until it is flush or slightly below the trim board. After the trim boards have been fastened and glued into position, place the insert piece into the groove of the skirt trim board. When joining 2 skirt board trim pieces together, it is best practice to stagger the joints of the inserts and skirt board pieces. Use flashing tape where the integrated drip edge meets the house wrap. Use flashing tape in accordance with the house wrap manufacturer. You have now successfully installed your AZEK skirt board and are ready to install your chosen siding material. If you are planning to paint or are using a Paint Pro product that must be painted, use AZEK approved paints only. Refer to azekexteriors.com/painting for detailed paint guidelines before painting. In summary, remember these best practices when installing AZEK skirt boards. 1. Use proper fasteners and follow fastener spacing guidelines. Use fasteners every 16 inches or less. 2. Glue AZEK to AZEK joints with AZEK cellular PVC cement. Be sure to apply adhesive to the entire joint to ensure the best adhesion. 3. Use flashing tape where the integrated drip edge meets the house wrap. Flash the skirt board according to house wrap manufacturer guidelines. 4. If you plan on painting or are using a Paint Pro product that must be painted, be sure to use AZEK-approved paints only and follow AZEK's paint guidelines. 5. Reference our full installation guidelines and warranty before installation. All AZEK Skirt Board products are made from rot-resistant PVC and are backed by a lifetime limited warranty. Visit AZEKExteriors.com for more information.